Alright guys, today we're gonna be rating Gus and Nico and Zoe and Mia tier list of Minecraft and Roblox. So, first guy we're gonna be rating is Gus from Minecraft. And with my plan, Gus is very good at filmmaker, get like 1,000,000 views. So I'm gonna put it in the amazing category. And for this one, I'm going to start with Nico because it's in Minecraft, and today we start with Minecraft first. So, Nico is a very good YouTuber in Minecraft, but it's not that great. I'm going to put it in good. Nico blocks? I don't think so that is very good because he gets 400. He has 400,000 subscribers, 700. I don't remember, but let's put it, nah. Let's add them both. Now Mia is don't record too much, so with Nico I'm gonna put in non-Ohio. I'm gonna do Shady now. Shady is a pretty good YouTuber. I do not see him that much, but he doesn't make that much cool videos, so I might put him in now with Mia and Nico. Zoe makes YouTube videos with shortcuts on Cause Nico did so good YouTuber, I think. Cause block. In Roblox, Cause is not that good, but I think that is a good YouTuber. Nico World, yeah, I forgot Nico has third channel. If you don't watch it, make sure to go in that channel, subscribe. And Nico World is a pretty good animation videos that he made. I don't know how did he made it, but it's an amazing YouTuber. And this is our tier list for today, Cause Nico tier list. So make sure like and subscribe, and peace.